So I just picked up a Fairbanks Z. It is the D style engine, also known as a salt block. Got it for a fairly decent deal. It needs a little bit of work. It doesn't have spark that I can see, but I think this wire is extremely corroded. So I think if I replace this wire, clean up the points, and then of course get the fuel tank set up, I think it should be good to go. This is they used, it looks like in the standard enamel paint, so it's just peeling off. So I want to clean this all up, get it running, and then I have a project that I want to put this on a wheel horse and then use it to ride around on. So we'll see how that goes, see whether I can get it running by the time I leave here today. I'm gonna go over to Starbolt, get a new plug for it, new wire. I think they have a manual for it. I usually pick up a manual with all my engines. So yeah, we'll see whether we can get this running like on some starter fluid or a little bit of gas and see what happens. So when you get this lined up right there with this,